Hello everyone, welcome to bispsolutions.com. This is my next video in Python machine learning series. My name is Sumit, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to check and remove duplicate records from a data frame using Pandas in Python. So in my previous video we discussed about how to sort the values, how to filter out specific records. Now the next requirement is I would like to find out if there are any duplicate records, so simply remove those records. So what I will be doing, I would be eliminating couple of fields, couple of lines, and a simple extract the first 20 records data dot head 20 and print data 1. So it gives we display 20 records. Now you can see here there are couple of duplicate records, like if we region is duplicate region, we have duplicate regions in a single column, or if we join two columns and find out the duplicate. So in this case we have APAC and 0, APAC and 0, APAC and 0. So this we have duplicate records. So first of all we will be going to see how to detect the duplicate records in a single column. So for that, a simple pass a command print data1 dot duplicated data1 dot duplicated region, and test it. So one extra syntax. So it should be within brackets duplicated. And you see we are getting it giving us false because the first is not duplicated, but North America is a duplicate for the previous one. In same manner Europe is a single one, but this Europe is again duplicated. APAC is duplicated. So we are getting true. So all these are duplicates. So false means they are not duplicate, true means they are duplicate values. So now rest of them is showing a duplicate, it's showing rest true for rest of the region. It means they all are duplicated regions. So this is how we can filter, this is how we can detect the duplicate records on a single column. This is one way of detecting duplicate. Another way of detecting duplicate is we simple get rid of this and I write data1 dot region dot duplicated and run. So this also gives us the same result, and the return type would be as boolean because it is giving false and true. Now next, if I would like to find out the duplicate on based on two columns, more than one column, based on two columns. So as you can see here, we have duplicate records, and for duplicates we have in the combination of region and revenue, and here we have only APAC, this one APAC 0.0, APAC 0.0. So they are duplicate. So basically this is the original one, but this one and this one is the repetition of this. It's a duplicate to this first one. So we want to figure this out. First of all we want to find out based on multiple columns. So for that we write data1 dot duplicated, and it should be based on single quotes region comma revenue and one bracket and two bracket close. And when we run it we got false. So this there is no duplicate, but this is row number record number 12 and record number 18 is a duplicated record. So we can figure this out. Record number 12 and record number 18 is a duplicated record for record number 5. Now the requirement is I would like to remove this duplicated record, and to remove duplicated record we can use a function called, so first of all I simple write print values after remove duplicates. And in order to do that, I simply write data2 data1 dot drop underscore duplicates, and duplicates on region and revenue. So it will find out the duplicate based on region and revenue. And then it removes the duplicate record. So it should be drop underscore duplicates. And finally, I write a print data2. So let's test it. And you can see here we have records. Here we have 19 records, and it displays the duplicate records where we have duplicated records for APAC 0.0, APAC 0.0. So it's showing the records. If I scroll down, and here you see the records are being removed. So we have only APAC 0.0. So APAC 0.0 is not repeating again, and the other records has taken its place. The next couple of records has taken its place. So this is how we can detect the duplicate records and remove the duplicate records from the data set. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button. You can post your comments in comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.